Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the digital multimeter and reading the phone panel. So in today's tutorial we're going to read the panel inside this phone using this digital multimeter. I will teach you the step-by-step procedures in reading the panel with this digital multimeter. So please, if you are new to this channel, do try to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now this is a digital multimeter. With this digital multimeter, you can get to know all the problem in a mobile panel. For example, if you want to check the battery connector of a phone, you want to check the battery connector of a phone, you want to know if it is actually working, you can make use of this digital multimeter. Also, if you want to check the SIM seat of a phone, all other parts of the phone, you can definitely check if they are working using this digital multimeter. This digital multimeter has a lot of work. As you can see it, all these numbers here signify something. You understand? So you have to turn this switch around depending on what you are trying to check. For example, if you want to check the voltage of a battery, you will definitely move this to this DCV 20. You can see this. You will move it to here. That is if you want to check the voltage of a battery. Then, if you want to check the continuity of a panel, you will move this to this buzzer. You can see this buzzer here. This is where you will move your digital multimeter to. Okay, let's start by but before we start using this multimeter, if you want to check the voltage of this battery now, you turn this to this 20. Then you put this terminal here and this terminal here. Okay, then now this multimeter is going to tell you that this battery is totally drained. You will either need to boost the battery, or rather you know that the battery has no solution again. So now we go by using the digital multimeter in testing for these panels to know whether this panel is good or not. So we open this. Now, if you want to check whether this panel is good or not, you will have to move this multimeter to buzzer. Then in this buzzer, the work of this buzzer is that you use it to check the continuity, so that when there is a continuity in a panel, your panel is going to beep a sound. So now, as it is beeping a sound now, that means there is a continuity in the panel. Now let's use the digital multimeter to check if the battery connector of this panel is connected to the panel normally. You put this black here in this arc, then you start reading the panel with this red cable. So Here now you can see that the panel is reading normally. Then here now it shows that there is a continuity within the arc and this negative terminal of the battery connector. Likewise, if you want to check whether the SIM seat is working, you put this black here in this arc, then start reading with this red cable. It shows there is a continuity. This one shows that there is no continuity. There is no continuity. Now this one shows that there is a continuity. So that is actually how to make use of this digital multimeter in checking if a panel of a phone is working normally or not.